Welcome back to my round robin. Today's another content development day. It's a pretty simple day. We're going to talk more about blogging, the types of content we want to use, and how to leverage third-party content from different websites, and to do it correctly to where you're not running into duplicate content issues and coming up in plagiarism filters and things like that. Leveraging RSS feeds, good ways to take video content, the different types of content, and so on. As you see, we have up on the screen is the round robin blog, and I usually write the majority of the posts that come in on this category from the editor and round robin news. But we also have our web developer Justin, who does spend a lot of time doing tutorials and stuff. So we kind of try to keep this pretty active in this feed. But the things I like to do is, if I'm having one of those days where I'm having a hard time creating content, what I'll do is I'll try to find some good industry information, stuff that's just really good for the user. It's better to have something that is compelling and is really going to draw in the user and have them actually read it, than something that you're just if your head's not in it and you're not producing good information. It's better to get something legitimate to kind of obviously almost create credibility with your blog feed and your brand itself. A lot of times I'll feature a post or a video that maybe Matt Cutts from Google has written regarding what's going on in the marketplace and the SEO world in general. Sometimes I'll feature articles by actually taking the RSS feed from the article and posting it on my site. The reason you want to do that, you don't want to copy and paste the text directly from another blog and paste it on your blog roll, because then it'll come up in a plagiarism search. But if you use their RSS feed by selecting one of the share options on their blog or this icon on the right, the orange one, you'll see those on a lot of the news sites out there. You can actually just take the actual RSS URL and post it into your blog, and then that's a better idea to link to their actual post. Obviously, the majority of the content we're going to want to write ourselves. We don't want to use this as an excuse to use third-party content, because we do want to make sure we have original content on our domain name, so that way we're constantly increasing our on-page SEO value. But it is okay to source out to a Wikipedia article sometimes. It is okay to go to a media channel and post maybe a video that you saw from one of the experts in your industry, and to share that with some of your users. And if you have your blog set up correctly through our setup process, we usually use if this then that. That's ifttt.com. And what happens is, even if we are sharing a third-party video, it still will automatically publish that post in our blog to Facebook and Twitter. So we are still kind of activating our audience and giving them fresh information. We are going to want to start posting probably 2 and maybe even 3 times a week. So that's why I do want to create an outlet. So if we're either going to post our own text, we're going to share information from third-party sites. We're going to just do what we can to make sure that this information is compelling. So the goal for today is to create a new post in your blog. We're going to be pinging again this week, and I'm going to start making it to where every Friday we're doing a post, and then every Wednesday before we ping, we're creating a new post on site. That means actually blogging on our URL, and that way we're starting to add a lot of that on-page content while we're doing the off-page article linking that you did yesterday. Anyway, post away. Let's if you have any issues with the RSS problem as far as feeding the information back to your site, or understanding whether you're producing duplicate content or not, please send your domain name and the problem to support@myroundrobin. We want to make sure that you guys are posting the right information on your site, so we're not running into any plagiarism issues. And until next time, let's see some blogs.